What you guys doing? Sitting? Did you find the old pool ladder?
No, it's trying.
Did you climb up it? Are you making Mommy play outside even though she's dying of asthma?
No.
I think you are. You wanted to come out. Come out. Have you got pizza all over your face and your clothes? Did you make a mess with pizza? Show me your messy pizza face.
No.
Don't fall. I see you. I'm gonna get kisses. I love you. Wave to the camera, say bye-bye.